Want to get your token in front of thousands of traders on DEX Screener? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to advertise on DEX Screener step by step. Let's jump straight into the video. All right, so first we need to head over to marketplace.dexscreener.com. So open up a web browser, and now we want to head on over to this URL, marketplace.dexscreener.com. So DEX Screener offers two main advertising options. So I'm going to click into token advertising so we can advertise your token on DEX Screener and give it the exposure it deserves. So they got token advertising, which starts from $2.99. So your logo and social links will appear on token pages. And they've also got trending bar advertising. So your token will appear in the trending section, which starts at $2,000. And you can pay with a crypto or credit card on both of these different options here. So for example, if you want to go over the token advertising where it says order now from $2.99, you want to go ahead and click onto that, and then you want to create an account. So it says here, please sign in. So we need to go ahead and click on sign in. They've only got one main option, which is a sign in with your Google account. So go ahead and click on sign in with your Google account. I'm going to check tutorial whiz. Now this is going to sign me up and log me at the same time. So I'm going to click continue here. All right, as you can see, I'm signed in. So now let's go back to token advertising. So order now from $2.99. So now from here, you want to select your chain. So you got Solana, Base, Ethereum, etc. You've got your token address here. You've got your ad info with your ad packages. So they got a few different ones. So you got ad packages for 20k views for $2.99, 50k views $6.99, 800,000 views $6,999. Time of recording, these prices might vary in the future. Now scroll down here, you want to put a title, you want to put a pitch, so a short description of your project to get people interested. And now we need to upload an image, so the image has to be a 1:1 aspect ratio, so square for example. Minimum image width of 100 pixels, supported formats of PNG, JPEG, etc., and a max file size of 4.5 megapixels. So go ahead and click on upload image. Now we can add some social links. So you want to add in your website, add X, Telegram, and Discord. Add all four if you got all four. Now scroll down here, so you want a preview, so please fill out a form to see an ad preview. So you want to put in your contact info, which is optional, but I suggest to put in. So provide your Discord and Telegram usernames if you want to be able to quickly reach out, DEX Screener for them to able to quickly reach out in case of any additional questions or clarifications. This can speed up the process of approving your order. So yeah, highly recommend putting your Discord username or your Telegram username, and then you want to check these boxes here. I understand that all supply data must be verifiable, and I understand except that DEX Screener reserves the rights to reject or modify the provided information. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on order now. And yeah, that's it. So now you know how to advertise your tokens on DEX Screener. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto marketing tips. Thanks for watching.